The MG ES5 2025 is a compact electric SUV designed to combine efficiency, technology, and style. It is powered by a single rear-mounted 125 kilowatts electric motor, providing smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The SUV comes with two battery options: a 49.1 kilowatt-hours pack offering a range of approximately 400 kilometers and a larger 62.2 kilowatt-hours battery that extends the range up to 525 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. These options give drivers flexibility based on their driving needs while ensuring an eco-friendly and cost-effective driving experience. The exterior design of the MG ES5 reflects a modern and futuristic approach, with sharp lines, LED headlights, and a coupe-like silhouette that enhances aerodynamics. The front grille is minimalistic, complementing the SUV's clean and sophisticated look. The alloy wheels and dynamic body structure contribute to a sporty yet elegant presence on the road. The rear features a full-width LED light bar, adding to the vehicle's contemporary appeal. The overall design aims to balance aesthetics with functionality, ensuring both style and efficiency. Inside, the MG ES5 boasts a spacious and high-tech cabin with premium materials and a driver-centric layout. A large 15.6-inch touchscreen infotainment system dominates the dashboard, offering navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. The 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information with a clear and customizable display. The seats are designed for comfort, with ample legroom and high-quality upholstery. Advanced climate control, wireless charging, and a premium sound system further enhance the interior experience, making long drives more enjoyable. The MG ES5 2025 is built with cutting-edge safety and driver assistance technologies. It includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The vehicle is equipped with multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and electronic stability control to provide maximum protection for passengers. These systems work together to ensure a secure driving environment, whether in city traffic or on long highway journeys. Charging convenience is a key highlight of the MG ES5. It supports fast charging, allowing the battery to be recharged from 10% to 80% in under 40 minutes using a DC fast charger. For home charging, the vehicle is compatible with standard AC chargers, making overnight charging simple and efficient. With its impressive range, fast charging capabilities, and modern features, the MG ES5 2025 stands out as a strong contender in the electric SUV segment, offering a perfect blend of performance, technology, and sustainability.